Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to channel for the latest job updates, career tips, and tech opportunities. Today we have an amazing opportunity for those looking to kickstart or advance their career in data analytics. American Express, which is one of the top banking finance company, is hiring for an analyst data analytics role in Gurgaon, India. So if you are someone with 1 to 2 years of experience or freshers with very good internship experience and certifications and very good projects related to data analytics, then this job is for you. And if you have experience with SQL, Python, data analysis, then this could be your dream job. And then stick around till the end because I'll be sharing everything you need to know from application process, responsibilities, and how you can apply along with some of the pro tips to get upper hand from others in this particular job. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for onwards so you never miss out any opportunity and important hiring from our end, because we are bringing three important hiring especially on this particular YouTube channel. So subscribe to our channel as soon as possible. Also share this video with your friends who might be interested in this particular role, and turn the notification bell so you never miss out any opportunity from our end. Now let's get started. So about the company, let's understand a little bit. American Express, basically known as Amex, is a global recognized financial service giant known for its credit cards, travel services, and merchant banking solutions. And if you're looking to work in a fast-paced, innovative environment that values data-driven decision making, this could be your greatest career move. And the job role, as you can see over here, is for data analytics, and it's an analyst position in based out of Gurgaon, Haryana. And experience required, as they have mentioned over here, is 1 to 3 years of experience. And the salary is going to be best in the industry. I mean, you'll get a competitive salary. Plus the deadline they have not mentioned, so but try to apply as soon as possible. Now let's directly discuss the roles and responsibilities out here. So the roles and responsibilities will something be like using SQL, Python, and data analytics tools to extract, interpret data, basically doing data analysis and insights. And you'll also be involved into production and algorithm development, like creating new solutions for merchants and internal teams, along with working closely with Amex regional partners and business stakeholders. You will also be involved into process improvement, like identifying areas of optimizations based on data insights and enhancing data capabilities, like helping improve data infrastructure and analytical capabilities. So these all are going to be your roles and responsibilities at Amex Group, which is American Express. So if you are someone who loves problem solving and working with data, this is a great role to apply for. And skills required for this particular role, as you can see over here, that I've mentioned: overall experience 1 to 2 years, and other skills that's required are 1 plus years of hands-on experience in SQL and Python, plus experience with Hive, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. VBA is preferred but not required, as I mentioned, and with a very strong analytical skill, problem solving skill, excellent communication skills to collaborate with global teams, and creative thinking skill, of course, and ability to work in a fast paced environment. So, these are the kind of skills, competencies required for this particular job. Now let's discuss the basic education, qualification. As I mentioned, the academic background. So you must have, bachelor degree in computer science, information technology, engineering, or any quantitative field related to analytics. So, and some of the perks and benefits of joining American Express that you can get to know now. I mean, these will be something like competitive salary, for performance based incentives, comprehensive medical, dental, visa and benefits, flexible hybrid work model like remote work and office both, paid paternal leaves and wellness programs as well, along with career development training and upskill opportunities. So not only do you get a high paying job, but you also get a fantastic work life balance. So this is all about the benefits of joining HSBC. Now how you can apply, so just check for the direct link in the description. We have mentioned the direct link. Go apply there and apply as soon as possible, because the sooner the better. And this type of jobs so feels up faster, so try to apply as soon as possible. So that's it. If you are looking for high paying analytics job at a top company like Amex, American Express, this is your chance to work with such company. With just 1 to 3 years of experience, you can secure an amazing career opportunity. and apply as soon as possible. Don't forget to like our video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out any opportunity. Also, you can subscribe to our other channel where we are coming with the in-depth data analytics series. The channel name is Tech, and we are mentioning the link in the description. Do check it that channel as well, and subscribe to that channel if you love our content. And if you like our work, just give a thumbs up and subscribe it. And that's it for this particular video. I will see you in the next video.